Well, before my day gets too crazy, I better get a book in because I didn't get a book in yesterday. I am so sorry, but I think you'll like this book. It's called Bear Snores On. Do you snore? In a cave, in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, and he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls, and the night sounds growl. But the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluttering cold snow. Here he is. Mouse squeaks, ooh, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop. But Bear, he snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. The mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Who, mouse?" says the hare. "Long time no see." So they pop some white corn and they brew some black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. But Bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I brought some honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." They nibble, they munch with a chew, chop, crunch. But Bear, he snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "Ooh, what a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everyone clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter. But Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his own lair. They look like they're having fun, huh? Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear... Achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. He growls and he grumbles. "You snuck in my lair. You had all that fun, but me, I was sleeping and I had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Boo-hoo. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn and we can brew more tea." The page doesn't even turn. There we go. Bear gulps, Bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up In a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Bear was upset because he missed the party. Then the others went to sleep. I hope you liked Bear Snores On. I hope you have a wonderful day. And don't forget, I love you. Bye.